everyone, I am Ayushi Gandhi and today we are going to learn about smart city and its features. So it's very important nowadays to upgrade ourselves in terms of infrastructure. So we are developing smart city to upgrade our lifestyle and our technology and to manage the resources properly. Now, what does smart city means? So what is smart city? We are going to see in this chapter why there is need of smart city, concept of smart city, pillars of a smart city, features of smart city and smart city solution. So we are going to learn brief about what is smart city, why we should develop a smart city and what are the features included in smart city. So first of all, let's just learn what is smart city, why it is the need to develop smart city. So it could be a smart design, smart building, smart utilities, smart mobility and smart technology. So smart city includes all of these things. There can be a smart design, smart utilities, smart mobility and smart technology present in smart city. Factors are required to become a smart city. What are those factors? It should provide holistic urban environment embedded with fundamental values along with the option to grow and prosper. So everyone who is living in the smart city will have an allowance to grow and prosper in that city. It should provide the chance to participate in cities management and satisfactory lifestyle for generations to become. It has to be a living city with respiratory system supported by both its citizens and technology for its governance, management and functioning. It has to be technologically sound and efficient city with smart grids in infrastructure, transportation and energy. It should offer decent living option to every citizen and provide better infrastructure. So what is basically smart city? Smart city has smart technology, proper utilization of energy, proper infrastructure and easily accessible things should be there in smart city. So the life of everyone who is living in the smart city should be very smooth, very efficient and very sustainable. Okay, so what is the need of smart city? The main source of our economy in our country is based on agriculture. So India is basically based on farming. The main source of income, growth and to prosperous is agriculture. So to fulfill the need of resources for industrial and service sector, more and more urban areas are being created. So more and more urban areas are created day by day to fulfill our needs, human beings' need of lifestyle and infrastructure. Since we are still a developing economy and mostly unbuilt, gives opportunity to innovative. Since we are still a developing economy and mostly unbuilt, so here the construction, the development has not taken place that much compared to other developing countries. Gives opportunity to innovative choices that are environmentally sustainable. Extreme population is one of the major problems that slow down the process of development. India is a very overpopulated country. So we have a lot of problems in developing ourselves, a lot of barriers we have. So smart city can be a solution to that barrier. With a smart city project, government ensures the basic guidelines of a smart city. Accordingly, the purpose of Smart City mission is to drive economic growth and improve the quality of life of people by enabling a local area development, harnessing technology, especially technology that leads to smart outcome. So they want to save the time, they want to save energy. Government of India is mainly targeting on saving time, saving resources, saving energy for the next generation. So everything should be smart and accessible to people easily. So they are developing smart city. So that's the need of development of smart city because we are very populated. So if we have an easy lifestyle, it will be easy for everyone. Now, what is the concept of smart city? So the concept of smart city are based on these three things. First is sustainability. So it should be long lasting. Second is quality of life. And third is competitiveness. So sustainability, quality of life should be maintained of people and competitiveness. So these are the three basic concepts present in smart city. Now, so let us study what is the concept of smart city in detail. First is sustainability, second is quality of life and third is competitiveness. So sustainability means what? Long lasting. It includes a social sustainability, environmental sustainability and financial sustainability. So socially it should be long lasting. In terms of saving the resources, it should be long lasting, and financial sustainability should also be there. So it should be economically beneficial also. What do you mean by quality of life? It includes safety and security. So smart city should be safe and secure to live. Inclusiveness of entertainment, ease of seeking and obtaining public service, cost efficient healthcare, quality education, transparency and opportunities for participation in governance. So it should have good healthcare facility, it should have good entertainment, it should be obtaining public services, cost efficient lifestyle should be there in smart city. Competitiveness. It refers to cities' ability to create employment opportunity, attract investment, experts, professionals, and it refers to cities' ability to create employment opportunities, attract investment, experts, professionals, and people. The ease of being able to do business and quality life it offers and determines its competitiveness. So the city should be developed in such a way that it should offer more employment to the people, and that's why the country or the city will grow. So for India, it is very, very important to develop a smart city to offer opportunities to young people and attract investment from foreign countries. So now, pillars of smart city. So institutional infrastructure, physical infrastructure, social infrastructure and economic infrastructure constitute the four pillars of the city on which it's rests. So these four things are the pillars of smart city. What do you mean by institutional infrastructure? It refers to activities that relate to governance, planning and management of a city. It includes the participation system of governance, e-governance, inclusive governance, the sense of safety and security and the opportunities for creativity. So what happens here? Institutional infrastructure is majorly including government and e-governance in the city. Physical infrastructure. It refers to stock of cost-efficient and intelligent physical infrastructure. Purchase the urban mobility system, the housing stock, the energy system, the water supply system, sewage system, sanitation facility, which are integrated through the use of technology. So everything should be technologically upgraded. So all the things, the mobility, the transport system, the water supply system, the sewage system, the drainage system, the traffic signals, everything should be smart. Social infrastructure. Everything should be smart. That means it should be based on technology and upgraded according to the technology. Social infrastructure. It is related to those components that work towards developing the human and social capital, such as education, healthcare and entertainment. So the development of human should also be there in smart city. So development of human being is done through education, entertainment and by social capital. So it also includes performance and creative arts, sports, the open spaces, children parks and gardens which determine the quality of life of citizens in the city. So the city should include three pillars. One is institutional infrastructure. So that means involvement of government. Second is physical infrastructure. So the systems should be properly managed, drainage system, sanitary system. The buildings which are developed should have good material utilized, which are sustainable. Social infrastructure, so gathering of people should be there, open spaces for playing, sports facilities, everything should be there for the development of human being and mankind. So the fourth pillar of a smart city is economic infrastructure. For a city to attract investment and to create appropriate economic infrastructure for employment opportunities, it has to first identify its core comparative advantages and analyzes its potential for generating economic activities. It requires the following: financial sustainability and financial hub. So economically, smart city should be helpful. So it should develop employment opportunities for the people living there. Okay, so what are the features of smart city? So city must be planned in coherence and with all development. So everything, social infrastructure, physical infrastructure, everything should be included while planning the city. So it should be planned with city level, neighborhood level and an individual level. So everything should be precisely and minutely crafted. Now, what smart city features should be there? Urbanized city landscape. So the landscape should be designed first, that here will be the hospital, here will be school, how it is accessible to younger people, to children's, how the management should be done accordingly. Compact planning. So it should not overutilize space. Mobility. There should be a proper transport system. Biodiversity. So there should be different kind of trees plant in the surrounding for natural environment. So environment also should be taken care. Energy. So the energy resources utilized in smart city should mostly be renewable energy resources. Even if you are utilizing other resources, then it should be more sustainable. Intelligent smart system. So that means that whenever the parking space is empty, at that time the light should go off. Intelligent smart system. Now what does that mean? So there should be a sensor based planning of the city. So when there are no people on the street light should automatically get off for saving electricity. Healthy framework, health, education, safety and security, and citizens engagement. So people should look involved in the planning of the city, and the health framework should also be properly managed. At certain kilometers there should be a hospital, every 15 kilometers there should be hospital. So here you can see how a city is managed, a smart city is managed. So e-governance and citizen services. So everything should be based on electronic. Waste management system should properly work so that there is no dirt in our surrounding and people are not ill easily. So there should be water management system. So there should be meters of for utilizing water so that people waste less amount of water. Leakage should be checked regularly so that wasting of water is lesser. Energy management, so smart meters should be there, renewable source of energy should be utilized, solar energy should be utilized. Urban mobility, that means smart parking you can talk of. So whenever the space is empty, it will show in your mobile that here this space is empty, so you can park your car here. Intelligent traffic management, integrated multimodal transport. So in your mobile you will also get information that this place is crowded, so move from, rather than going from that road, move from some other alternative road. So these are the things should be included in smart city. Incubation centers and skill development centers and telemedicines and tele-education. So people should have activities which can develop their skills in smart city, and that's how the human beings will progress in smart city. So the traffic light and street light should be based on renewable source of energy. For example, solar energy, they should work on solar energy. In houses also, there should be a sensor system. So if no one is awake in the house, so automatically the light should go off. So the energy is saved. So energy saving, water saving, these are very important part of smart city. So basically, smart city is a very interesting concept for development of humankind, for a good lifestyle and for more sustainable lifestyle. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next lecture of environmental science. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned about smart city.